Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Rundle Toilet Parts is probably one of the most essential yet overlooked components in maintaining a functional and efficient bathroom, and today, we're diving deep into what makes a particular set of Rundle Toilet Parts stand out from the crowd, ensuring your toilet operates smoothly and reliably for years to come, saving you from those frustrating mid-flush emergencies and costly water bills. Number 5. Fluidmaster 400H002 Performax Universal Toilet Fill Valve. Tired of noisy or slow-filling toilets? Upgrade to the quietest and most powerful fill valve on the market for a superior experience. Get your toilet running smoothly in no time. Installation is a breeze with our easy-to-follow, step-by-step instructions included. No need to worry about compatibility. This universal fill valve is designed to fit most toilet models and brands seamlessly. Achieve the perfect flush every time and save water. Easily adjust the tank and bowl water levels to customize your flush. With its easy twist height adjustment, it fits more tanks. Simply adjust the height from 9 to 14 inches for a perfect fit. What we like. This fill valve is designed for quiet operation and powerful performance. It offers adjustable height and water level dials for customized flushing and water savings. If you are looking for a high-performance, water-saving solution for a noisy or slow-filling toilet, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Installation was surprisingly easy. The adjustable height feature made it simple to dial in the right fit for my tank. The fill is much quieter than the old valve, and it shuts off clean without that annoying trickling sound. The water level is now consistent, and the toilet refills quickly without being loud or aggressive. It also feels like a solid, well-made piece, nothing cheap or flimsy about it. You can tell it's built to last. Great replacement fill valve. Installation was quick and straightforward, and it immediately fixed the intermediate flush filling failure. The tank fills much faster and the flush feels stronger. Very good quality for the price and fits most toilets easily. Fixed my toilet that used to take over an hour to fill. Now it fills within a minute. I don't know anything about toilets and I was able to install it in under 10 minutes. Instructions were clear and overall it was very simple. Number 4. Korky Ultra Standard 2-inch Universal Toilet Flapper 100 BP. Are you tired of running and leaking toilets? This high-performance flapper is designed to fit most 2-inch toilet brands, ensuring a perfect seal every time. It's the most universal 2-inch flapper on the market, easily adjusting to fit various tank sizes. Say goodbye to water waste and hello to savings. Crafted from high-quality, chlorine-resistant rubber, this part is built to last. It's a long-lasting solution for your toilet repair needs. No need for a plumber. This flapper is designed for easy installation, allowing you to quickly fix your toilet yourself. Proudly made in the USA, this toilet part comes with a 5-year warranty. You can trust in its quality and reliability for years to come. When you need to repair or replace toilet parts, choose Korky. We are committed to designing universal repair parts that fit the majority of toilets. What we like. This flapper is designed to fit most 2-inch toilet brands and offers a universal adjustment for various tank sizes. It's made from durable, chlorine-resistant rubber and proudly manufactured in the USA. If you need a reliable, long-lasting replacement for a standard 2-inch toilet flapper that will quickly fix running or leaking toilets, this is the one to consider. What people say. Water flows flawlessly, perfect fit, worth every penny. This fixed all our issues. Looks much more durable than the one that was in there. Worked as it should without further adjustments. These are super easy to exchange. Number 3. Fluidmaster 400A KRP 10 Universal Toilet Repair Kit. Is your toilet running inefficiently or leaking? This all-in-one kit replaces worn-out parts, making your toilet function like new again. Designed to fit most 2-inch flush valve toilets, this repair kit is universally compatible. It easily adjusts to fit various tank heights and gallon per flush requirements. Maximize water efficiency with the included high-performance flapper. It ensures optimal water usage with every flush, saving you water and money. Get your toilet back in working order in no time. This kit is designed for easy installation and can be set up in 10 minutes or less. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need to repair your toilet tank. It addresses common issues with fill valves, flush valves, flappers, and handles. What we like. This complete kit includes everything you need to restore your toilet's performance, including a fill valve, flapper, and handle. It's designed for universal fit with most 2-inch flush valve toilets and is easy to install in under 10 minutes. If you're experiencing multiple toilet issues and want a simple, effective solution to make your toilet run like new again, this all-in-one repair kit is ideal. What people say. The instructions are very thorough, clear, and written in easy-to-understand language. After installation, my toilet worked perfectly, even better than a new toilet since it is an older model which uses more water than the new models. All the parts needed to rebuild the working parts in your toilet tank. Standard serviceable Fluidmaster fill valve, complete high-quality Fluidmaster flush valve with top-end flapper valve provide excellent durability and good seal, new tank handle, replacement bolts hardware all at an affordable price. Number 2. Danco 80816 Complete Toilet Repair Kit. Are you tired of a leaky toilet? This kit contains the essential replacement parts to fix the most common causes of leaks and restore your toilet to perfect working order. The fill valve measures approximately 8.5 inches. The ball rod and float assembly extends to about 11.75 inches when fully installed, ensuring a precise fit. This kit includes a flapper designed to replace worn-out ones, perfectly fitting 2-inch toilet flush valves. Keep your toilet flushing efficiently. You can easily install this kit yourself with common household tools like a screwdriver and adjustable wrench. Clear instructions are included to guide you through the process. Crafted from durable plastic and rubber, these parts are built to last. Enjoy optimal performance and strength that stands the test of time. This repair kit is designed for standard single flush applications. It includes a universal flapper, spring, float with rod, and ball cock with refill tube for a complete solution. What we like. This comprehensive repair kit addresses the most common causes of leaky toilets, including a universal flapper, float, and ball cock. It's built with durable plastic and rubber for long-lasting performance and is designed for standard single-flush applications. If you're looking for a reliable DIY solution to fix a leaky toilet and restore its original working condition, this kit provides all the necessary parts. What people say. The flush valve seal is a perfect fit for my old Rundle toilet. This kit includes all the necessary parts to rebuild the tank, making the repair straightforward. The new fill valve is quiet and fills the tank quickly and efficiently. Number 1. Korky 3060 BP Universal Toilet Flapper. Is your toilet constantly running? This is the universal replacement flapper you need to stop leaks and save water. Replacing your toilet flapper is simple. This part is designed for easy installation, getting your toilet back in working order quickly. Designed to fit most large 3-inch flush valves, it's compatible with many popular toilet brands. You can trust its universal design. Made from long-lasting, chlorine-resistant rubber, this flapper is built to withstand regular use. It's a reliable choice for your toilet repair. Proudly manufactured in the USA, this part represents quality and reliability. It's backed by a 5-year warranty for your peace of mind. Korky invented the toilet flapper valve and remains the preferred brand for plumbers. Experience the superior quality and reliability for yourself. What we like. This is a large 3-inch flapper designed to fit newer, HET toilets and is an upgrade from the original. It's made of long-lasting, chlorine-resistant rubber and is proudly manufactured in the USA by the inventor of the toilet flapper valve. If you have a newer toilet with a 3-inch flush valve that is running or leaking, this high-quality, plumber-preferred flapper is the perfect solution. What people say. It was so simple to put in and it solved our issue without having to call the plumber. Worked perfectly for my toilet. It went on smoothly and seals with no issues. Installation was incredibly easy, about as simple as removing the toilet tank lid. The quality feels solid, the rubber seems durable, and best of all, it stopped the leak. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.